Day 5 of HRM course. What a day it was. Even on a Friday, the class had a lot of energy. We studied about induction in detail and we tried to design an ideal induction kit. We also talked about how the induction experience translates into the actual job experience and why good organization will make these two experiences very similar and bad organizations will keep these two experiences quite dissimilar. We went on to LinkedIn, we studied 5 samples, and we also saw how employers use LinkedIn for recruitment. Now we go on to the MC questions of the day. 31. Dash is a systematic and planned introduction of employees to their jobs, their co-workers, and the organization. MCQ 32. Which type of information is conveyed by orientation? Choose one of the 4 options. MCQ 33. In which country and year was orientation first developed? (34) Which strategic choices a firm needs to make before designing its orientation program? (35) Name what seeks to ratify the usefulness of the characteristics that the person brings to the new job. 36. In this question, there are 4 stages. You have to identify which of these is a stage while conducting formal orientation. 37. Which of the following options are the topics covered in employee orientation program? 38. Name the word which refers to the allocation of people to jobs. It includes initial assignment of new employees and promotion, transfer or demotion of present employees. 39. Which of the following is a job in the context of placement problems and employee works? 40. Which of these is mentioned in the orientation checklist? So these were our MCQs. We had 4 days of working and we have 40 MCQs. By the end of this week, we will have 50 multiple choice questions with us. Ending today, we did to speak or not to speak. I would like to identify here 4 kind of situations where you could be in. The preacher, where I am high in seniority and expertise. The other participants are acknowledging it. And here I have to be prepared to speak a lot more than usual. The reviewer, higher in power but low in expertise, a typical vice president, chief executive type. The questions and approach has to be investigative. The next one, expert. You aren't the most powerful person, but you know the stuff. So you have to wait for your allocated time, let the reviewers do their blah blah, and then talk away to glory. At other times, stay alert and curious because some of the reviewers might slow down your projects. And last, when silence is golden. The silence, the power of silence. While adjusting your participation levels to above mentioned roles is a good place to start, one should also be prepared to stay silent. Here are some golden rules when silence is very, very important. When the titans are fighting, stay away. This is the time to take the bathroom break. You are such a wonderful audience, my dear awesome students of Section C of MBA first year. I am looking forward to meet you on the last day of the first week tomorrow, Saturday. Have a wonderful evening.